Oh, hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Nancy Oranges TV. I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of the way we are using for today. Today is December 22nd, and 3 days before Christmas. Am I right? 22. Yeah, 3 days before Christmas. Why did you turn right away? Anyway, yes, I'll just show you. Here we are. Okay, as you can see, look at all the grounds. They are all white. It was snowing yesterday, and I never realized it is snow because I don't have enough sleep the days before, so I sleep all the way until 12 o'clock noon time. So look at the ice. See guys, look at the ground is all white. That's the one on the side. So but now in the roadside, the snow is gone from the roadside because the plowmen already plowed it. So that's why you can see clear from the roadside where people are driving. But on the side road, you can still see the snow. It is our first snow. Yesterday we've been waiting for it, but definitely really basically it came up yesterday. And I want to go right away when it was snowing, but I cannot. It takes me a while to get up, because I have to eat my breakfast that time, and then after that time it takes me a while because I have to prepare myself and everything. So yeah, so that's how it happens. So anyway, there you go guys. I'm just going to show you all, as you can see, right? There you go. Look at the rooftop of the houses too. They're all white, and oh, look at the ice on the top of the thing is just flying. Did you see that one, guys? The car on the top of the car is all flying the ice. So it look like a block of snow. Yeah, so that's it in here, but not very much snow yet. It doesn't continue. I don't know when. Perhaps tomorrow is going to snow again. We don't know. So yeah. So that's here in Vancouver. It's not all the time snow, but the rest of the places like Toronto, Ontario, New Brunswick, somewhere far. Is that far south, Papa? North? North? East. The snows are very thick. Yeah, so yeah. But here, there you go. Some of it are actually like disappeared already. It's diminished already. It was melted because it's also sunny. But we are how many? We are 3 degrees only right now. 3 degrees our temperature. That means very cold. Last night is even 0 degrees. I was like, our blanket is already very thick, but still very cold. Yeah. So yeah, now we're crossing Patolo Bridge. This Patolo Bridge is where most of the used bridge from people from the truck from United States goes here, use this bridge. People from many far places. This is the main bridge, and also we have another main bridge, the other side of the east side, which is the Portman Bridge, and somewhere in the west side is we have Queensboro Bridge, and then farthest is we have Oak Bridge Bridge, and then another bridge, which is the very farthest, is the Arthur Lane Bridge. That is very going to the Vancouver International Airports. So yeah, so here you go, guys. So this is the bridge that I am always using whenever I'm driving every day to go to work. So guys, there's music here. There's no music here, so it's very nice to talk to you like that. I think I'll just keep talking all the way to you guys. So yeah, this is it. As sometimes I have to show you the other side, that side in there. See that, guys, there? See that overbridge in there that is going to the, we are going in there. We're gonna use that bridge over the overbridge. We're just turning around in here, then we go to that bridge. Yes, there we go. So this one I always show most often this way to you guys, but I never really uploaded it. But I promise I'm going to go to the good places here in Vancouver, like the Capilano Bridge. We have the Grouse Mountain here that is the most visited by people around the world. We have Whistler, lots of things in there, and there is Squamish, where there you can go gondola, and also in Whistler you can ride on the lift going up to the mountains. And when you are in the mountains, you can see over all the beauty of the nature. I was once went there. That was way long time ago, when I was still very new here, and I had a lot of pictures in there taken. They call it Seventh Heaven. We use the lift cable cars to go on the top. They call it Seventh Heaven because you are going to go up 7 times using by the lift, the cable cars like that. It's just like the one in Sentosa, guys. Those who are in Singapore, you know what I mean. What I meant, Sentosa. Sentosa, that is an island that you're going to visit, most visited by tourist people. It is a tourist attractions in Singapore. Yeah, I was once in Singapore. I worked there for 6 years, so I know there's a lot of changes already. I can tell because I have friends that works in Singapore now, and they show me some of the places, and of course there's a lot of improvements. Yes, so yeah. So now, see guys, you can still see the snow piles on the side. Look at that, cars is covered with snow. There you go. See there, guys? There's still, but some already melted because it's sunny right now. Yeah, so we're just on the stoplight right now. It's red lights. See, guys? So yeah. So we're just in 3 days before Christmas. Wow, time flies really fast. And then after that, it's going to be January again. Wow, You see guys, if you didn't even think about it, the days really fly fast. But if you're always thinking about the days, it is very, very long. See? That's why it's better to just like very busy yourself than think about the days. And you will notice that I said, oh, the times is fast. Because just imagine how fast it is. We're just been starting December just 3 weeks ago. You know, it's already, we are nearer to the awaited time of the people. December 25, it is the waiting time. Christmas. Christmas is sharing. Christmas is giving. Christmas is loving. Yes, that is how Christmas is. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. I want to greet people around the world. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you people around the world. I just want to say thank you for those who are supporting my channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel. And no matter where you are, I always want to say Merry Christmas to all of you people around the world. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay guys, now we are just right here. We are going, pretty soon we are going to exit in the highway. Yeah. So if you can see that railing on the top in there, that is the SkyTrain. Here we call that train SkyTrain. There is a train like, yeah. So that's the SkyTrain. See, as you can see the sun. Here when it is sunny here, you can experience the sun look like it's just right in front of you. And kind of difficult to drive if you don't have sunglasses. So otherwise you have to use your hands to cover your eyebrows, something top of your eyes, so that you can see the way if you don't have sunglasses. It's very dangerous if you are driving, and because the sun is very, very sharp. Yeah, so if I am driving, I always leave sunglasses in here inside my car, and I also have one in my purse, and I also have one in the house, because sometimes if I just go like walking, I don't have to go to the parking to get my sunglasses. So yeah, I have spare sunglasses. Yeah. So now we're just kind of merging here. As you can see, there is another there's another way in the roadside that is the exit to go down. Yeah, you can see the top bridge. We are going to use that. We're just merging here, and then we're going up to the top. Yes. Yes, see we are here. We're just kind of merging. Sorry guys, I know some of you are probably bored because I didn't really include music in my blog. Sometimes I do in the introductions only, but after that one, nothing anymore. Yeah. So once in a while I'll post it. So now we are again in another bridge, which is I mentioned to you earlier. This one is a Queensboro Bridge. Down below there you can see the water down. See? And here we are. And both sides are water down. And yeah, now we are going to the highway. Okay guys, now we are in the highway to the highway all the way to Richmond. Going to change your step. Okay, here we are. In here the speed is 80 kilometers per hour. I'm not the one who is driving right now, so it's free for me to vlog. My husband is right beside me. Yeah, so we are exiting here to go to the highway. As you can see there's a name, Richmond, West Richmond, Vancouver. We're facing the sun. That's what I am saying. Whenever I face the sun, I have to cover my eyes or put my hands over it, just enough to see the way. The sun is just like in front of me, so close. And here we go. Now we are in the highway. In here you can drive 90 kilometers an hour. There you go. Okay guys, see, so we are in the highway right now. As you can see, that side are the farms where people are planting strawberries, blueberries, what else? Blackberries. That side in there, see? It's closed, that one. This one is a major highway too. You can see a lot of trucks here, like that one we are following. Heavy trucks, you call that. Green trucks, big trucks, any kind of trucks, big trucks. That is using this one is a major highways for linking from Vancouver to United States. You can use this highway as well. And as you can see, those are the farms. See guys, the road is already cleared. It's already scraped by the snowplower. No more ice on the road. The snow plow always people that works for the government, they do it. They put some salt in the road everywhere where residentials. Put salt just to melt the snow. Yeah. So okay guys, so look at the farms. customers. So that's it. Look, the trucks are all faster from the other side to the highway. And yeah. So I'm not going to stay more longer with you guys. I already show you the stuff in there. From left to the right side. And look at this one here. These are the farms that are in this one that has that thing on. If you can see, they put something in there. That's the golf course. Okay, now guys, I have to end my vlogs in here. So I think I show you everything already. In this one, as you can see, this way that is going to Vancouver downtown. I'm talking, we're already in Vancouver downtown. Yeah, we are now very close to where we're going. So yeah, you can see going to the airport. All is in this way. Going to Victoria. If you want to go to Victoria Islands, you just have to exit that one. I show you guys there. Okay, and I guess this is it for my vlogs, guys. There's another way in there and there. Yeah, and this one I will show you another way. This one is going to Vancouver International Airport that way. Okay. Now this way is an Oak Bridge. That one is an Oak Bridge going to downtown Vancouver. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for Thank you so much, guys, for watching Nancy Oranges TV. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful Christmas and holidays. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Thank you. Bye for now. Thank you for watching Nancy Oranges TV. Bye. Take care. God bless.